Hello, and today we will be solving the third problem on Project Euler. We're going to find the largest prime factor of the number 6, this big number. So, I actually got stuck on this, so I did get some help. There was this other YouTuber, and this other YouTuber too. So then for I in range of 2 and x add 1. Or also this is an external library, so if you want to download it, you're gonna have to do and it should be already satisfied, so that means it's already installed. So then we do if it basically has a look if it's prime, because if it wants to be a prime factor, it has to be prime. This I don't really understand how this works, because as I said, I got stuck on this. Yeah. Here's the issue. Possible issue. That the output which we're gonna get is in the public number. It's just it's basically could be more, because yeah. But here you have the answer, and it's a public answer, so it's an accepted answer. Also, GitHub and Project Euler link in the description, and I'll see you in the next video.